Okay, this is Ladras Street. Not Madras, Ladras. And there's where we're staying, up on there. Look at him.
The borders is down there.
Look, it's Death Pool. Death's Pool. Hey, look at Pizza Go. Ice cream pizza. It's a pizza cone. Don't you know you want a pizza cone? Look in the back.
Oh.
Zippy. Perfecto souvenirs and gifts. That sounds pretty perfect. Okay, and we're back. Back on the same street with the same people. There's the plant store. Buy a plant. There's your fruit. Oh, yo. 1 + 1 free. I think that means buy one get one free, doesn't it? Okay. I saw that in another store too. Okay. Then Valor. Car pizza. Oh, Cyprus coffee and a snack, €2. Cyprus coffee, €1. Wonder what snack it is. Cat stamp. Don't want to stand in there. There's your Asian buffet.
Yummy.
Where is that? Oh, iced coffee, Chino.
Slushes.
Oh, Eve's Russia. They used to sell weird things door to door. I don't know. Little streets. Little side streets. Hey, what's this for? Just so you can walk in the shade. Why is it made of triangles?
Maybe triangles are cheap, I don't know.
I think they were inspired by triangle sandwiches. Starbucks. McDonald's. They don't have the Grand or Mega Mac, but they do have blueberry milkshakes.
They have the Greek Mac.
Yeah, they have the Greek Mac exclusive. Is this an arcade? That's a kebab.
Oh, wait, there is an arcade.
Are you serious? Alright, we need a pit stop. Back in a minute.
Aww.
I'll take it home.
Yes, please.
Let's take it home. Babyface Deluxe, one of Cyprus's most predominant features. We got it here for you. Babyface Deluxe. And we've got ice cream since 1939 at Happy Key. It's good, isn't it? Yeah. Let's see what they're eating. Fries. Fries. Some more fries. Some clothes. Okay, yeah. That's for the last one finished. Oh, let's look at this menu.
Instant coffee.
Instant coffee, I like instant coffee. But how much? Oh, €1.50, right? That's what we've been seeing.
So we're going right here.
Hey, if your AC breaks here, you don't need to get on the roof. You just like get on in there.
Go outside.
Might make it cheaper. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's the border crossing just behind that dude where there's flags are. That's how you get to Turkey side. And the currency will change too. But I think they still accept euros.
Yeah, there are a few shops I saw that definitely do.
Yeah.
Most probably would.
Yeah, we looked in one fridge, they had a lira and euro in the same fridge. It's kind of funny. Okay, welcome. Welcome here. Guess where we are?
We're on the Greek side.
We are on the Greek side, yeah. There's a cool little letter thing here too. But yeah, you will need your passport let you cross the middle of the country.
In the middle of the town.
Middle of the town, yeah. So you need your passport here. You walk, what, 30 meters, and you need your passport again to the Turkish side of Cyprus. In Nicosia, otherwise known as Lefkoşa. But yeah, this is one of the crossings on Ladras Street. Ladras? Madras? I don't know. But yeah, there's the 30-meter walk, then you have another passport control. That's funny, isn't it? Yeah, check it out. Run by police. Well, United Nations, but it says the police, so. Yeah, it's funny that. Police station right there too. Yeah, the currency changes. Although they all accept euros.
The language changes.
And if you follow the wall that way, or the other way, then yeah, some of the stuff hasn't been touched for like 50 years. It's like in ruins. It's crazy.
You promise? You keep doing it. You really promise? I'm serious.
I'm trying to take a video.
What could you do it after? I was in the middle of talking to you already.
The old buffer zone. But you're not allowed to litter. I don't think people take that seriously. So that's what happens if you don't like maintain your house, you know. Yeah, it's dead, isn't it? I thought it was just funny about the laundry outside the stores.
Oh yeah.
People drying the laundry. Gotta do what you gotta do. Discount market. There's like big pots at the end. Oh yeah, we are in the center, by the way. Lefkoşa. Lefkoşa. Nicosia. Yeah, they are one and the same. One and the same, yes. Oh, that's better. Oh, this looks cool.
Yeah. I have to get a meal a bit later.
Okay, these are the options. There's banana.
Might be more, but this is quite a few of them. Looks like.
Vanilla. But which one do you pick? Okay, so Cypriot delights
Arab syrup?
or Turkish delights?
I don't know. I don't know if maybe they're usually the same, but this one they're definitely. Oh, I don't know.
What?
These ones are very chewy and jelly-like.
The same?
I don't know.
They are not the same.
I could have just gotten a particularly jelly-like box, but they aren't both nice.
Okay.
How about you? Why don't you try another one?
For fairness, you must pick. Or you live in the buffer zone.
That might be even worse. Yeah, I'm gonna have to live in the buffer zone.
Yeah, you're gonna have to live in the buffer zone. Oops. Getting breathed. Okay, we're still in the center. We're at a souvenir kind of shop.
Funny sign here.
They have statues for like €1 in there. It's
Yeah,
crazy.
really good deals on statues and tons of them.
Yeah.
That was a funny sign.
Oh yeah, yeah. Hold your. Okay, so we have Subway sub of the day. We have casual hookah smoking at noon. The Euro bin. What's your impression so far? We arrived here at night. How would you describe the atmosphere at night?
Party, 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 party.
Party, party, party?
Yeah.
Given the amount of seats filling up at noon, would you say that is the direction tonight? Party, party, party?
Party, party. There are no seats left at night.
There are no seats left at night, and what day of the week was it?
Tuesday.
It was a Tuesday.
The club was going up on a Tuesday.
It was, wasn't it? You see the balcony with the missing paint? That's ours. And it was only
39 euros.
39 euros per night
For a whole apartment.
for a whole apartment with 3 rooms. You crazy. And that was actually true. Yeah, Lidras apartments.
This is a good one.
Oh, I can get my energy drink for $1. Do you want to go in?
I'll think about it.
Okay. Well, think quick, I'm thirsty. There's some luggage. Yeah, this is where we got our snacks last night. Actually, it was kind of real cheap. We got a halloumi pie.
I think it was probably one of
Potato
the few
pie.
quick food still open.
It was open maybe at what,
Well,
11
past-
midnight? I don't know.
Yeah, either at or past 11, I'm not sure. They're closing up at the time.
They were, yeah. I thought they'd throw us an extra one, how they do for the homeless, but they didn't. That's okay. We'll just give them 3 stars. Yeah.
I didn't want the word to get out.
The word.
Yeah, word.
The word. Europe. Got a Europe. Yeah. Still on the same street, and we found €1.99. Clothings. They're mostly extra large, but I think if you dig, you might get a deal. Okay. Hey, we just found a supermarket. What's it called? Green Tree. Yeah, it was okay. Got some sausages for €1. And struggled finding off-brand soda, but that was a bit. And we got Athena wine for a couple euros. That was good. Only for girls. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Depends on who's renting it to you.
Do you think you'll get a sausage surprise in the night? I think you might get a sausage surprise in the night. But I don't want to curse it. You never know what might happen. Yeah, cat. Oh, go and sleep. Go and sleep. Hello. cat. Oh, here we go.
Well, that's the buffer zone for you.
Yeah, the buffer zone. Get a bit of light. There's the Turkish side. See a couple of flags. And some barbed wire. There's the Greek flags there. And yeah, there's the fence. Yeah, crazy. You could probably hop that off the bench. What do you think? There's like a whole, yeah, there's a passport control middle bit. Hang on. Yeah, there's a bit of the wall there, let's see. Just next to a cafe. It's funny. Yeah, and there's where we were before, just over there. Yeah, there's no man's land. You can sort of see the quality of the houses over there and stuff that's just kind of abandoned.
People have thrown some things over.
Yeah, people climb over and graffiti, but yeah, UN area looks kind of deserted even by them. There's the old city wall. Around NIK-ə-SEE-ə. Pretty much goes around the whole city. I mean, the city is like a circular mile, if that's ever a term. Is a circular mile a term? Because I feel that's what the city is.
They seem to think so.
Yeah, well, it's like a circular mile.
Harder to say since it's split in half.
Well, that's a new thing, but this old wall here. Yes. Yeah, so here's the wall. Thought it was an old wall, but actually either people live there or they still use it. There's a light on. Yeah, it's funny. I wonder if it's houses or just some government thing.
It's really funny seeing the Turkish flag on one side of that wall and Greek one on the other one.
Oh, that is a good point. Yeah, so there's the Turkey wall and that's the Greek wall. It's the same, yeah, same thing. Gives you power like hell. Yeah, we're at the bottom of the city, in the ring, in the inner ring. Inner ring. We got MoneyGram. Oh, we got a €1.20 store, which we'll get to in a minute. And Del Monte right there, fresh from California, T1.